Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus y is equals to 7 and xy is also equals to 7, and we solve this problem for all the values of x and y. So here first we called this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So we need to solve these two simultaneous equations, and now first our equation number 1 is implies that here we move the value x from left hand side to the right hand side, and we will get y is equals to 7 minus x, and we called this is our equation number 3. And further we move or we use this equation number 3 into equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that when you use this value here, it will becomes x times of 7 minus x is equals to 7. And now further we multiply this x on both of these two values, and it will become 7 times of x minus x square is equals to 7. And here we move all the terms from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get this is minus x square. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes plus x square. This is plus 7x becomes minus 7x, and this is plus 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now after this little bit simplification, you see that we will convert our given equation into the quadratic form of x variable, and here we use the nice quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this, first we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7, and c equals to plus 7. So we state the quadratic formula as x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will be written as x is equals to this is minus b, the value of b is minus 7 plus minus square root of b square, b is minus 7 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 7, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is also equals to 1. So we need more simplifications, and here minus times minus becomes plus 7 plus minus square root of minus 7 square, and minus 7 square becomes 49 minus this is 4 times of 7 becomes here 28, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So here we need more simplification, and now first we need to subtract the terms inside the square root sign, and we get 7 plus minus this is square root of 9 minus 8 becomes 1, and 4 minus 2 becomes here 2, and this is divided by 2. So here we will get there are two roots of the given two values of x, and these are 7 plus minus square root of 21 divided by 2. So these are the two values of x which we get from given equation. So now here in the next steps we need to use these two values of x, and we get the corresponding values of y. So for this we need equation number 3 here, and equation number 3 is implies that y is equals to 7 minus x. And here we just substitute in this side, we choose the positive value of x, it is 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2, and in this side we choose the negative value of x, it is 7 minus square root of 21, and it is divided by 2. So we use these two values into the above equations, and we get the corresponding value of y, and we have y is equals to 7 minus x. The value of x in this case is 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2. In the same pattern, the value of x in this case is 7 minus square root of 21, and it is divided by 2. So we simplify these two cases, and we easily get the corresponding values of y. So here we need to take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes 2. So this 2 times 7 becomes 14, and this minus sign multiply both of these two values, and we get minus 7 minus square root of 21, and here we get the values of y are 14 minus 7 becomes 7 minus square root of 21, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two values of these are the value of y corresponding to the value of x is this one. So in the same pattern, we need to find the values of y from second case, and from here we again simplify the terms, and we will take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes 2, and this is 2 times 7 becomes 14, and we multiply this negative sign on each of these values, and we get minus 7 plus square root of 21. So we have y is equals to 14 minus 7 becomes 7 plus square root of 21, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is this one. So here finally we will get there are two order pairs of solutions, and these order pairs of solutions are the first order pair of solution is 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2, and 7 minus square root of 21 divided by 2. This is the first order pair of solution, and the second order pair of solution is 7 minus square root of 21 divided by 2, and 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2. So these are the two order pair of solutions which we get here in this method. And now in the next steps we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or extraneous root. So here I can just verify only one order pair of solution, and I can left the second verification by yourself. So for this we need to copy down given questions equations here, and we have there are two equations, x plus y is equals to 7 and x y equals to 7. Here I can choose this order pair, and we verify this these values, and here you have the value of x is 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2, and from here y is equals to 7 minus square root of 21 is also divided by 2. So we substitute both of these two values of x and y into the above both equations, and we get this will be written as 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2, and 7 minus square root of 21 divided by 2 is equals to 7 or not. This is our claim. So when we take the LCM of this term, it is 2, and we get 7 plus square root of 21 and 7 minus square root of 21, and we check that is this equals to 7 or not. So this minus 21, this plus 21 are gone, and we get 7 plus 7 becomes 14 divided by 2 is equals to 7. This is 2 times 7 becomes 14, and we get here 7 equals to 7. So this shows that both of the values are equal. It means that the values of x and y satisfied our first equation. In the same pattern, we verify the second equation, and we have 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2 into 7 minus square root of 21 divided by 2 is equals to 7. So we have here we just rewrite these equations as this is 7 square minus square root of 21 whole square. Here we use the nice algebraic formula. It is divided by 2 times 2 becomes 4 equals to 7, and this 7 square becomes 49 minus this 2 and square root are gone, and we get 21 divided by 4 is equals to 7, and 9 minus 1 becomes 8, and 4 minus 2 becomes 2 divided by 4 equals to 7, and we get here 7 equals to 7. This shows that the first order pair satisfied our given equation. In the same pattern, our second order pair is also satisfied our given equation. So both of these two order pairs satisfied our given question statement, and this is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.